Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna explain how to add Instagram link to Facebook profile. In this tutorial I use Android device. You can connect your Instagram and Facebook account to gain more friends and profit if you use both of them to run your business. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. At your Facebook profile, tap to edit profile. Step 2. Scroll down, then tap edit at the links section. Step 3. Tap to add social links, then choose Instagram, you may choose other platform. Step 4. Enter your Instagram username. Step 5. Tap to save button. Now you already add your Instagram link to your Facebook profile. Okay, if this tutorial worked for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.